In the digital era, YouTube stands as an unrivaled platform, especially for professional speakers. Ready to translate your offline charisma to online success? Look, join me as we decode why YouTube is your next grand stage and how to own it. The digital stage knows no boundaries. Your message has the potential to cross continents. Does it make any difference where you live? It makes a difference what you say. And unlike traditional stages, here in YouTube, you gain immediate feedback, helping refine your approach. Now look, understand, we've got a diverse audience, so we can interact with a global audience, understanding varied perspectives and broadening your horizon. In fact, engagement asking for perspectives from different places is impactful in YouTube. Now, we've talked about search engine optimization. I'm going to call that the ticket to global acclaim. Craft your content with a strategic SEO approach, ensuring your voice finds its listeners no matter where they are. And once you reach the hearts of your listeners, YouTube offers means to earn, fueling your passion further. Now, let me say, on the 28th of December 2022, I decided to practice what I preached. And it took me about 2 months to turn my channel from a regular YouTube channel into something that is making money. I didn't say, by the way, I was going to buy a new car with what it makes, but it is monetized and it gives me a measurement to be able to see what's taking place. But frankly, as a professional speaker, I want to expand my horizons. I'd like to merge with like-minded creators, making more content-rich and diverse content so that it can be found, because two people have more power than just one. And of course, now let's think about it. We've talked about this before, but it's analytics, the compass for growth. Let data-driven insights be your guide. Help curate content that resonates and excels. That data is going to help you understand what you need to do. Look, YouTube is not just a platform, it's the world's most dynamic stage. And for speakers like me and you, it promises an audience, acclaim, and unparalleled growth. So, if you're ready to conquer this stage, start with subscribing to my channel, where I unveil strategies to make every YouTube endeavor a standing ovation. Hey, let's embark on this journey together.